Good morning to the respected teachers, my seniors and dear friends. Students, now get ready for the assembly. All of you stand up, join your hands, close your eyes and bow your head. Start prayer. Oh my Lord, oh my God, I pray to you. Increase my knowledge day by day. I pray to you. At the stars of the day, we must say, I pray to you. Thank you, God, for our work and play. I pray to you. We try to be good, for we know that we should. I pray to you. That's my prayer for the start of the day. I pray to you. I pray to you. I pray to you.
Now it's time for pledge. All of you right hands up. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy citizens of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders and respect to treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Right hands down.
Good morning to esteemed teachers and my dear friends. I am Dr. Devika Standard 4C. Today I am going to deliver the thought of the day. And my thought is, discipline is an invisible bridge between the goals and accomplishment. It means discipline is doing what you don't want to do in pursuit of what you can do. If things are easy to do, you are excited about doing them. You wouldn't need to be disciplined. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Arunika Kumari of Standard 4E and I am going to say amazing facts in front of you. And my fact is Hawaii moves 7.5 cm closer to Alaska every year. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mara Iqbal and I am from Standard 4D. Today I am going to give us a speech on honesty is the best policy. Honesty refers to the high morals and truthfulness of a person. An honest person can always be trusted under any circumstance. Honesty gives us a positive opinion on life and others. Honesty plays an essential role in every business and professional sector. Honesty will stand up for what is true and right. Honesty will keep you away from any trouble and any difficulty situation. Thank you.
Dear schoolmates, we breathe the air of Mother India. We live on the land of India. It is here we get education. It is here where we get our teachers and parents who provide us with strong hand holding all the time. We owe lots of to our motherland India. In attention position and sing our national anthem to pay respect to our motherland India. Attention! जनगण मन अधिनायक की जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उछल जलधि तिरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय है जय है जय है जय 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 है. Now the assembly is dispersed.